Oh my! They're doing body varials at a 12-foot height while reattaching to a vertical wall.
Ramps and amps. Do this. You gonna rip the ramp jack or what?
Yeah, we're about to rip it. Should I use this side or this side?
Use all four at once. We'll go OB style. Yeah.
OB style.
And your goal is just to balance as you push off and glide. It's not like a ripstick where it's like this. It's a separate sort of snaking motion. That's pretty good. Yo. Way to go!
It's so cool to see skateboarders learn. They just are freakishly fast.
Cam still got the skateboarding down. It's like a whole lot of cobwebs and stuff. You landed that so steezy and then it just popped back. Whoa! 2 for 2. Hey, you need to get that now.
Oh!
Got about another hour.
Oh!
You got it!
Fuck! Woo! Let's go.
Good to see you.
Got out the Freeskates, came out. This is the best event ever.
Those are gnarly. When I see them, I'm always like, how do you do this? It's insane. Surf me out. Great to see you guys.
Yeah,
Good to meet you. Great to meet you too. Definitely see you around. You guys gonna be demoing around?
Oh, we were doing a little bit. It's cool to see everyone out here ripping.
It's good to see you guys. God bless you guys.
Yeah, God bless you too.
They doing like shit happens in the city. Ours is like, yeah, it's. Yo.
Oh. What is this clipping? Is it even possible? Look at that.